Our principal secretary, he forgot that he is also a member of the board, but he is represented here today. A very active member of my board, Engineer Dr. Festus Ngeno, and other senior members of the ministry that have accompanied you, led by our Secretary Administration. Honorable Senator for THARAKA Nithi, Honorable Mwenda, nasikia more fire. We need to fire more. And I have always been told that you are a great supporter for us in the Senate, and we want to keep you in our prayers so that you can continue supporting us. Madam County, THARAKA Nithi, we appreciate you. Madam Charin, who is with us here, Karibu. Commissioner, County Commissioner for THARAKA Nithi, Mr. David Getonga, is also my county mate. We are neighbors to Honorable Muthomi Njuki hapa chini, the Chancellor of this great university and a former CEO of NEMA, Professor Emeritus. Asante sana for gracing this occasion. The Chairman of the Council, who has already spoken to us. My good friend, the Vice Chancellor, and a very close friend, Professor Muriungi. All protocols observed. Ladies and gentlemen, it is for me a great privilege to stand in front of you this afternoon to address you today. We are assembled here to renew our resolve to protect our environment and accelerate the journey towards a more sustainable and resilient future. At the heart of today's conversation is a challenge that affects every corner of our society, and that is the plastic pollution. Today, as we confront the escalating crisis of plastic pollution, it is important to report and recognize that our national planning institutional strategies are aligned with global and local development priorities. That is why we are leader in this area of environment. Mheshimiwa Waziri, this institution called NEMA, under the guidance of your ministry, is implementing its 5th strategic plan, 2023 to 2027, in full alignment with the National Treasury and Economic Planning guidelines. This particular plan reflects our shared commitment of the UN 2030 Agenda to Sustainable Development, the African Union Agenda 2063, the East African Community Vision 2050, the Constitution of Kenya 2010, Kenya's Vision 2030, and the 4th medium-term plan, popularly referred to as MTP4, and the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, popularly referred to as BETA. Within that framework, our chief guest, ladies and gentlemen, the fight against plastic pollution remains a top priority for this country. And through this plan, NEMA is strengthening its role in implementing environmental education and awareness. It's also enforcing the national ban on single-use plastics in protected areas and promoting the extended producer plastic waste recovery and recycling. The plan also integrates circular economy principles to reduce plastic waste